Hello everyone, welcome back to Keith's Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making something that has a special place in my heart. It's kind of nasty outside right now, rainy, dark, gloomy, and I started thinking, what would bring a smile to my face? What would bring a smile to your face? So I thought, and then of course, naturally, the only thing that brings a smile to everybody's face, buffalo chicken dip. I know that's what you're gonna say. It's a really predictable answer. Anyway, buffalo chicken dip. I love this recipe. It's super easy to do. It's super flavorful, assuming you like buffalo. If you don't, that's okay. You can substitute it out for other hot sauces. I just really like buffalo sauce. Specifically, Frank's Red Hot. This is the best buffalo sauce, in my opinion. And if you disagree, that's okay, because remember, this is a no judgment zone. So I'm not gonna judge you if you think Tabasco is better than that. But Frank's is the best, okay? So we're gonna use that. We're gonna use chicken, cream cheese, and some other stuff. I'll show you in the video. Let's do it.
First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then take your packet of pre-opened, we learned from last time, softened cream cheese. You're going to place that in a bowl along with your buffalo sauce and your mayonnaise. And the measurements for that is 3/4 cup of your buffalo sauce and a 1/2 cup of mayo. Any brand of mayo will do. I'm not going to judge you if you use Miracle Whip either. You can use whatever you like. Just make sure it's mayo or some sort of mayo substitute. Next, I added in some spices. This is 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Just mix that in there along with the rest of the ingredients. And I'll fast forward through this because this is boring. Once you've mixed everything thoroughly, go ahead and add in your 2 cups of cooked, shredded, or chopped chicken. I just shredded mine up. Add in 1/2 of your chopped green onion. This is optional, but I really do like the green onion in there. You can put it on top instead after, but I'm gonna put 1/2 in now. And then 1/2 of your 8 ounces of cheddar. I just threw 1/2 the bag in, I kind of eyeballed it. And then stir that together, and we'll be ready to put it in a dish. Again, I'll fast forward through this part because it's boring. Now, traditionally, you would use a casserole dish, but I do not have one. All I have is this loaf tin for making bread, but it will do. So take your mixture and put it into whatever oven-safe dish you have that'll accommodate all of your mixture, and fill in all the gaps. And then once you have all the mixture in there, kind of smoothed down, you can put the rest of your cheese on top to make a nice cheese layer that'll bubble up and brown really nicely in the oven. And like I said earlier, I used about 1/2 in the actual mixture, and then the other 1/2 I'm just putting on top to give it a nice cheesy top. Once you've added all the cheese, if your oven hasn't preheated yet, just wait a couple minutes, and then we'll pop it in the oven. Okay, so the oven has preheated, and we're going to go ahead and put the pan right on the center rack for 20 minutes at 375. And check on it after that. If you need to leave it for a little bit longer to get a little darker on top, feel free. After the 20 minutes is up, take your buffalo chicken dip out of the oven, leave it on the counter to cool for about 10 minutes, and that's it. You're done. Don't forget to garnish it with the rest of your green onions that you cut. I forgot to film that, but I did in fact do it.
The buffalo chicken dip is finished, and I can already feel my mood lifting. I'm excited. This is what it looks like. Oh. All right, now remember, no judgment zone. So I expect no judgment for using everything bagel chips to eat this. Normally, You'd eat it with, I don't know, other stuff. But this is what I got, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna taste it, and I'll give you my honest opinion about it. Here we go. Honest opinion, it makes me want to weep for joy. It was so delicious. You know, I said my mood was starting to improve, starting to go up. My mood has fully improved. In fact, I feel like it's the middle of summer. That's what this reminds me of. It reminds me of a really festive summer dish, something you make to go to a cookout or a football game or something like that. And, you know, it really does make me happy. And it tastes good too, which is a happy, nice bonus. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. This is a shorter recipe than some of the other ones I've done, but that's not a bad thing. In fact, I think it's a good thing. So I hope you get to make it, and yeah, that's it. Have a good one.